think. Get your toilet paper. Good morning, we got another update. We made it to San Vicente de Caguán yesterday. Got a really cheap hotel just to pass the night in. Thank goodness I found a pharmacy and I was able to get some contact solution to clean my last pair of contact lenses. So I put them back in. This has to last me now until I can get glasses and more contact lenses. So it's my nightmare situation essentially. And today we're gonna try and get over the Cordillera and cross over to Neiva, which is a major city where I can probably get to an optometrist because my prescription from the US has expired. And then hopefully I can get some glasses and contact lenses there.
What up, Kyle?
Yo guys, how's it going? Fuck, it's so cool.
No. Acabo de pasar.
Alright, we're taking a quick little swimming break. We saw this, we couldn't skip it. Wow, this is a cool hiking trail. Very safe. You fall into 2 feet of water. What an amazing place we've stumbled onto.
Holy shit. Verga,
So
brother.
fresh.
Increíble está esto. You know, just like that. Next to the street.
Oh, here's a nice bridge. Oh, here's a nice river. Oh, here's a road. Perfect at every step.
My God, it's so nice to have pavement. Such a relief.
Bro, how sick are these mountains? How sick?
They have a mango. I'm looking for a place to eat it.
Okay, yeah, sounds good.
Maybe we should.
Buenas tardes.
Mucho gusto.
¿Cómo están?
¿Cómo le va?
Bien. Las cosas. Hacia Neiva.
¿Ampa Neiva?
Tienen maletía, señor.
Sí.
3 meses acá en Colombia.
Ahí nos va grabando nosotros, no.
¿Eso?
Claro.
No es una oficina.
No. Pareciera.
Ay, fue madre, bueno. Willa, when you get worms in your eyes.
No, bro, there's gonna be worms in my rice. Without even asking, they put worms? No, dude. What is this really?
We just found out we can't drive on this road after 7 at night. It's not allowed. So that means we need to pick up the pace. Yeah, check it out. We out here with the UN. Naciones Unidas. Pretty crazy. They're eating at the same restaurant as us. Peligro minas. Manténgase alejado. Humanity and inclusion. That's hardcore. That's so hardcore. This is a war zone. There's a former war zone.
It's a war zone.
This is one of the craziest places I've been on this trip. To see so much military, so many outposts, the UN peacekeeping forces, signs saying warning, minefield, you know, keep out. It's madness, man. Never seen anything like that. It's a shame because it's such a gorgeous area, but people will be afraid to come here, I think, for quite some time more. $83 kilometers left. You can do it.
Esto debe ser un carrito para transportar alguna cosa valiosa de arriba de la montaña. Cocaína de allá arriba, hojas de coca. How high do you think we are?
I would guess 2,000 meters.
Almost.
How much are we?
1,800.
Wow. Yeah.
That's a lot, man.
We
It's
climbed,
cold.
bro.
It's cold.
Yeah, it is changing. I'm gonna zipper up my my shirt. And the type of vegetation is changing. Buenas, ¿todo bien?